Hello everyone, my name is Sagar and I hope you are doing well. In this video we'll see about blob storage. So in our last video we have seen how we can create a storage account, the basic settings, basic setups that we really should do while creating our storage account. But in this video we'll specifically focus on containers. So containers are nothing, they are just holding some kind of storage. Okay, for now let me create a new container. So I can click on this add container and here you can give a name to a container. So let me call it as data here. Okay, and let me simply create this container. Now here if you see your access level is private, it means that you can't see it directly. Okay, and now what I will do, let me go here and let me click on this add policy. So here I can set the time-based retention. So for example, I can click on this immutable here. I can select my time-based retention. So here I can select for my days. Let's say I want it for 180 days. I can save it. This is how you can access the policies. Okay, and now let's say if you want to upload any kind of file inside this container, then how you are going to do that? So there are multiple ways. The simplest would be open this and click on this upload file here, browse your file and then search for a file. So let me move this file here, this uninstall file. Let me select this, and here also you can select your access tier, and you can also tell what would be the block size. Like, so basically behind the screens they are nothing, they are blocks. Okay, 4 MB is fine. And let's see if I want to specifically upload this data inside a particular folder. Let me call this folder as security test. Because now what will happen, this uninstall file will, so here a new folder will get created and that file will be available inside that inside this folder. So let me click on upload. Okay, so now here you can see that the security test folder is available. So if I will open this, I can see my uninstall file here, the 3 MB file and all this information. Now here also if you will click here, let's click on acquire lease. So this would be the ID. Now let's say that you want, so let me copy this URL and let me paste it here. So here if you can see, the public access is not permitted for the storage account, because when we created that at the time I showed you, like, we have specified the private, right? No anonymous access. So when I go here, let me go to my storage account container, and here we did that setup like anonymous access level. Okay, let me open this file. Okay, now one more important thing is that, let's say if you want this particular file to be available to someone for a specific time period. Okay, so how you can do that? For that you can simply click on this generate SAS URL here, and here you can specify your start and expiry period. So let me switch my expiry period to tomorrow, and let me click on this generate SAS token and URL. Now if I'll copy this URL, so the guy who will have this URL, he can easily access this particular file. So let me paste it here. So you can see this file is getting downloaded. Okay. Now similarly, if I don't want the user to have access, so what I can do, I can simply change my date and 10/24. Okay, so this is 3 p.m. So I will change it to 3 p.m. or let me change it to 2 p.m. This will be 3 p.m. only. Now I will again click on generate SAS token and URL, and if you copy this, Okay, let me paste it here. So this time you will not able to see. Okay, so here you can see server failed to authenticate, blah blah, this permission. Okay, now as soon as I will change my expiry date, let me see, tomorrow, I will again copy. So I can download this file. Okay, yeah. So this is about your SAS token and URL. Again, like if you only want someone to only read this, but you can also give all different kind of permission as well. And here you have key 2 as well. Like in key 2, if you want to do some different kind of mechanism, so that is also possible. So this is very short introduction or intro about your blob storage. In our next video, we'll see about Azure file storage. So thank you for watching this video.